Hello everyone, my name is Tejinder Pal Singh Halan. In short, you can call me TJ Singh. Well, I have immigrated to Australia and for past few days I've been getting a lot of queries from my friends, relatives, from people on other WhatsApp groups. How is it to settle in another country? What are the do's, what are the don'ts? What happens when you land there? So I thought of putting all those documents in the shape of video. This is my first video and I'm making it in English because I thought that not only people from India but from the other parts of the world could also get benefit from my experience, and at the same time it will help me to improve my English. Just to tell you that I got 8 band in IELTS. Not boosting myself, but that's the way it is. You have to market yourself when you are in Australia. This is something which I learned on the very first day. Anyways, moving ahead, I have also made some videos when I was in India. The next video which I am going to share is how to do the packing. What are the important things which you keep in mind while doing packing? What are things which you can bring here, and what are the things which you do not require here? I'll be sharing that video, and do share this video, do subscribe to this video so that I can know that how many people are actually watching it and how many people they actually looking forward for some other videos. It will help me to know whether actually these videos are required or not. Do also post your questions. If you have anything in mind, I'll try to find the answers. I'll try to talk to the right people here. So let's see what happens next. I hope that you will share it, you will subscribe it. Thank you very much for being here.